future self meditation. If it feels good, close your eyes or just relax your gaze. Take a moment to feel the chair beneath you. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Notice how your body feels. Where do you feel tight? And where do you feel relaxed? Let your attention settle on your breath. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might have thoughts pop up, but let them drift away at their own pace. Just be present. Isn't that a nice feeling? You don't have to struggle with your thoughts or rush to somewhere else. Right now, you're free to simply be here. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you relax, you might start to notice your breathing becoming easier. Now, picture yourself traveling to the future. Pick a time, maybe 1, 5, 10, or 20 years from now. Pick one for now. Then imagine you can travel to the future in any way you can think of, whether it's real or just in your mind. Maybe you'll ride a horse, a special train, a magic carpet, or a special traveling machine. Choose whatever feels right for you. Let yourself feel safe taking that ride into the future. You're moving through time and space to the best place you can imagine. Now, you arrive in this new time and place. Take a look around where you've landed. Notice the landscape, What do you see when you look out? What's there? Then you spot a house. This is the home of your future self. This version of you can imagine. As you approach, know that your future self is waiting on the other side of the door. But first, you notice a special basket by the door. You can leave anything you don't want to carry with you in the basket. If you change your mind later, you can always get it back. Now, knock on the door to let your future self know you've arrived. She opens the door, and you both greet each other. You catch a glimpse of your future self. You're a wise, accomplished self. Take a moment to observe her. Feel her energy, and especially her essence. Find a cozy spot to chat. Maybe she offers you a drink, and then you sit down together to talk. I invite you to ask her how she got to this amazing place inside herself. Listen to what she says. Knowing her, what does she say? What does she tell you about what you need to remember to move from where you are now to where she is? What advice does she have for you? You might ask her, what's the most memorable thing you've experienced, future self? What words of wisdom do you have for me? What lessons have you learned? What do I need to know so I can become the best version of myself, like you? Feel free to ask her anything you're curious about. Is there a name? Not necessarily a real one, but more like a metaphor. a symbol of her essence that you'd like to give her, a name, her name, that you can bring back home with you to help you remember. Then thank your future self for spending this time with you. Say goodbye for now, knowing that you can talk to her whenever you want. Take a moment to look around before you head out. Now, you can take your chosen transportation back to the current time and place. Begin to travel back. I'm going to count from 3 to 1 so you can comfortably return. 3. Feeling your body. Feel yourself again in your chair. 2. Allowing awareness of your breath and a sense, a whole awareness in the space and time. 1. When you are ready, allowing your eyes to open. Take a moment to write about your experience. Revisit this anytime you would like to reconnect with your future self.